Hi friends, in this particular video I'm going to tell you why Europe is a very good choice for STEM studies due to easy visa process and low cost. STEM, that is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Education is becoming increasingly popular among Indian students with growing career opportunities abroad. Nearly 70% of the Indian students prefer STEM studies courses for the higher studies. Yes, 70% according to the data of Government of India. Why this Europe is first choice for STEM studies nowadays? World-class education and prestigious universities. Europe is known for cutting-edge research facilities, strong industry connections, and advanced teaching methods. Some top universities, including technical universities of Munich, that is Germany, ETH, Zurich, Switzerland, University College London, UCL, that is UK, affordable yet high quality education. Low or no tuition fee in public universities in Germany and France, remember. Lower cost of living compared to US and UK. Multiple scholarships and funding opportunities are there. There are industry collaboration and job opportunities. Internship and real-world projects are available. Institutions like ETH Zurich and TUM Munich provide industry-like training. Germany offers an 18-month postgraduate work permit, allowing students to find employment. High demand skills open doors to career in top European universities. Easier visa process and post-study work options. Well, visa procedures in the European countries are simpler than in the US and UK. There are diverse post-study work permits, which options, basically the multifold options, they enhance the job prospectus. There are availability of English medium programs, reducing language barrier. Other than STEM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics, some popular courses are also available like business and management, data science and artificial intelligence, biotechnology and environmental sciences. In a nutshell, I really want to tell you, with lower cost and easy visa process and strong industries, like Europe is emerging as a top destination for Indian students pursuing STEM studies, STEM education. Just explore. Good luck.